Looking for new ways to enjoy your Lady Boss Lean protein powder? In today's video, we're sharing 10 delicious recipes you can whip up with Lady Boss Lean. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a post-workout snack, or a guilt-free dessert, we've got you covered. Stick around till the end for some pro tips on getting the most out of your protein powder. First up, the classic Lady Boss Lean shake. Just mix 1 scoop of Lady Boss Lean with 8 ounces of cold water or milk. Shake it up, and you're good to go. Perfect for those busy mornings. Next, let's make a refreshing berry smoothie. Blend 1 scoop of Lady Boss Lean, half a cup of frozen mixed berries, a banana, and 1 cup of almond milk. It's great for a quick snack that feels like a treat. For the peanut butter lovers, here's a creamy peanut butter lean delight. Blend 1 scoop of Lady Boss Lean, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 cup of milk, and a few ice cubes. It's a delicious way to satisfy those sweet cravings while staying on track. Turn your breakfast into a protein-packed powerhouse with lean overnight oats. Mix 1 scoop of Lady Boss Lean, half a cup of oats, 1 cup of milk, and a dash of cinnamon. Let it sit in the fridge overnight and enjoy a ready-made breakfast the next morning. Next up, a weekend favorite, lean protein pancakes. Combine 1 scoop of Lady Boss Lean, 1 egg, and half a banana in a blender. Pour onto a hot pan, cook until golden, and enjoy a protein-packed breakfast. Try this chocolate lean mug cake. Mix 1 scoop of Lady Boss Lean with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 3 tablespoons of milk in a microwave-safe mug. Microwave for 60 to 90 seconds, and you've got a quick, protein-rich treat. Start your mornings with a kick using the Lean Mocha smoothie. Blend 1 scoop of Lady Boss Lean, half a cup of cold coffee, half a cup of milk, and a handful of ice. It's the perfect combination of protein and caffeine to fuel your day. You may be wondering why you should add Lady Boss Lean to your recipes. It's packed with high-quality protein to support muscle recovery and help curb your cravings. Plus, it blends well into almost anything, from smoothies to baked goods, making it a versatile addition to your diet. Whether you're looking to boost your protein intake or simply want to try something new, these recipes make it easy to enjoy the benefits. Need a grab-and-go snack? Try these Lady Boss Lean protein balls. Mix 1 scoop of Lady Boss Lean, 1/2 cup of oats, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, and a drizzle of honey. Roll them into small balls, refrigerate for 30 minutes, and you've got a perfect protein snack ready anytime. Let's address some common questions about using Lady Boss Lean. Can you replace a meal with a Lady Boss Lean shake? Absolutely. It's formulated to keep you feeling full and energized. Another question we get is, does Lady Boss Lean work well with plant-based milk? Yes, you can mix it with almond, oat, or soy milk for a creamy shake without the dairy. Have more questions? Drop them in the comments and we'll answer them. For a delicious treat, whip up some lean banana protein bread. Blend 1 scoop of Lady Boss Lean, 2 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Pour into a loaf pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 25-30 minutes. It's great for a breakfast boost or a post-workout snack. Cool down with a Lady Boss Lean iced coffee. Shake up 1 scoop of Lady Boss Lean with 1 cup of cold brew coffee, 1/2 cup of milk, and a few ice cubes. It's a delicious way to combine your coffee fix with your protein needs. Perfect for those hot summer days. Now that we've covered some delicious recipes, here are a few pro tips to make the most out of your Lady Boss Lean experience. Tip 1. Enhance flavor. Want to add more flavor to your shakes? Try blending Lady Boss Lean with your favorite fruits, or even adding a splash of vanilla extract. It makes every sip taste like a treat. Tip 2. Texture tricks. For an even creamier texture, try mixing your protein powder with ice-cold milk or plant-based milk. You can also add a few ice cubes before blending for a thicker shake. Perfect for a post-workout refresh. Tip 3. Baking with lean. Did you know you can use Lady Boss Lean in baking? Swap it for flour and pancake batter, or even mix it into muffin recipes for an extra protein boost. It's a great way to enjoy your protein without drinking it. Tip 4. Prepping ahead. Short on time? Pre-measure your Lady Boss Lean servings into individual containers, so all you have to do is grab, shake, and go. It's perfect for busy mornings or when you're rushing to the gym. We've seen incredible results from people who've added Lady Boss Lean to their routines. Like people who says that these recipes help them stay consistent with their diet while satisfying their sweet tooth. Or people who loves using Lady Boss Lean for their post-workout shakes. If you've had success with Lady Boss Lean, share your story with us in the comments. Which of these recipes are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let us know. And remember, if you're ready to get your own Lady Boss Lean, click the link in the description or pinned comment to get yours and access our free 21-day fitness challenge as a bonus. Don't miss our next video where we dive deep into the power of protein and how it can transform your fitness journey.